Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create the liquid color fill effects in DaVinci Resolve, with help of the Essential Noise Mask Effect template. As usual, you can download the template through the link in the description below. Once you download and install the noise mask effect, you can find it in the effects panel, and apply it to any clip on the timeline. By default, it's set to a square shape mask, with some random wavy borders. In the inspector, the effect parameters are grouped into 3 sections. The first one is the mask definition. The second one is to control the noise pattern. And the last part is the border and glow options. In the mask section, we can choose one of the 6 different shapes in the drop-down list. Linear shape creates a mask on one side. Reflect mirrors the linear shape and produces a mask in the middle. Square, cross, and radial options create masks, as the name implies. The angle option creates an angle mask, rotating around the start point. We can enable the Animate size option to create an animation effect without keyframing the size parameter. The animation starts from the beginning of the clip, and its duration is set by the time parameter. It changes the mask size from start size to end size. The default animation curve is set to easing, and we can choose different easing modes from the in and out drop-down lists. When it's set to custom option, we can define our own curve in the mini editor however we want. The second setting group has all the settings to control the noise pattern used by the mask edges. You can play around with these parameters to create some unique styles you like for the mask. To animate the noise without keyframing, we can increase the seeth rate parameter. The larger the value, the faster it runs. To add a border to the mask, check the border option. More parameters are now displayed underneath for detailed adjustments, such as the width, the color, and we can also add a glowing effect to the border. Next we will use this effect to create the liquid color fill effect as you see in the preview. On this timeline, I have a sample map on a paper background. Add the noise mask effect to the sample map clip. Change the shape to linear. Turn on the fusion overlay. Move the start point to the bottom. Move the end point to the top, so we have a vertically linear mask. Check the Animate size option. Play the timeline. This is too fast. To slow down the animation, we need to extend the duration. We can either use the time slider to increase the duration, or move the playhead to the position where we want to end the animation. And click the Set Time button to calculate the value. Okay, this looks good now. To always show a base map while filling the area, we can duplicate a copy of the clip and delete the effect from the bottom clip. Change the composite mode to overlay. Okay, we now have an effect of the color filling the area from the bottom. If we want the color spreading from the center, we can change the shape to square or radial. Move the start point to the center of the map. Play the timeline. Not bad. But the filling effect doesn't feel natural. Increase the noise detail. Something like this. And also adjust a little bit of the contrast. Great, this is much better. Another thing is that color doesn't fill the entire map area. To fix this, we can either change the position of the end clip or increase end size. Now the color is filling the entire map area. At the beginning of the clip, reduce the start size to make sure no color drops are visible. Great, we now have a realistic looking effect of color spreading across the whole map area. To fill the area with a different color, add a background clip on the top. For this demo, I use the animated background template. Change the composite mode to foreground. Select the map clip below the background. And change the composite mode to alpha. That's it, we now have a gradient color filling the map area. If we turn on the border and glow effect, we will get some cool watercolor effect. To change the filling color, select the background clip. We can change the color to anything we like. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.